Hey, we got low moving fast clouds here. The rain has disappeared. It's really quiet, but you still have these idiots doing 60 miles an hour past the house. They pop the cow loom in the street to try to give them some idea, but they don't seem to want to pay any attention to the glowing orb in the middle of the road. We got these clouds here moving around the house in a circle. I'm out here with my mom and her boyfriend, and it's getting interesting. So we'll see what happens. Hey guys, heavy rain's back. It got really quiet and still for a while. We had some circular clouds, but the rain came back now. We still got a tornado warning, and still got idiots flying up to the flooding down here. If anything changes, I'll be back. These idiots stalled their car out in the flooding down the road, and they had them pushing them up the street. Now they're trying to get it out of the road into a driveway. They're stopping all of the traffic. You hear the storm's picking up. We appear to be out of tornado danger. Now I got people driving up into the park to go around it. Only in Detroit. It's as hard as I've ever seen it rain out here. It's strange though, because there's really no wind at all. The rain's just coming straight down. These idiots are still down here trying to push their truck up into the driveway. Now they're getting pushed by another SUV, it looks like. I don't know if you can see it with all the trees. We were just talking about why don't they just park it on the side of the road and leave it there. But instead, I guess they're going to try to push it to wherever, God knows. And I'll be back. Okay, I lied. This is as hard as I've ever seen it rain. The fact that people are still out driving in this is pretty crazy. That's my neighbor coming home. He said his mom's house was flooded. He probably went to check on her. What do you think, guys?
Wow. Wet.